what the Honor X95G represents. This is a smartphone built for real life and not for display shelves, not for careful hands, but for drops, long days, unpredictable moments, and everyday challenges. And we at Honor Philippines reward the toughness, the resiliency of the hardworking Filipinos. Just recently, a post on Threads became viral. It's about Gracie, who purchased a new Honor X7P, which, by the way, we launched in 2023. She bought this as a reward for her hard work. And this story is what Honor X95G is all about. Toughness, perseverance, resiliency. These are the stories that inspire us to do better, to be better. So, we extended an invite to her. She is actually with us today, so may I call on Gracie to personally hand over our token of appreciation for her hard work and for choosing Honor. Gracie? Ayan. Guys, let's all welcome Gracie, the one who went viral for posting about her reward, Honor X7P. So, Gracie, may I just ask, bakit Honor X7P yung napili mong bilhin?
Thank you so much kasi nakabili ako ng cellphone ko. Pinagpaman ko. Kahit hindi naman yung kalakihan, dati pinagpunan ko yung tikapan ko. Pambayad sa bills, transport, isama ng bulan. Tapos, ayun, hard work paid off. Nabili ko sa wakas. Kahit na nahirapan ako. Ngayon, more din lahat.
And so dahil dyan, Gracie, please accept this brand new Honor X95G! So ipakita natin, Gracie is now officially one of the early owners of the toughest phone of 2026, the Honor X95G. So, any words?
Thank you so much po sa Honor Company, Honor Philippines, thank you so much po. Wala pong masabi na speechless po ako. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Gracie. And that story again inspired us for this campaign, Honor X95G. So for every hard work that we put in our everyday lives, magkakaroon po tayo ng reward. Again, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa Honor X95G Fan Fest. So this is our very first Fan Fest event. And marami pa po tayong performances today. Kaya po, please stay with us until the very end. Thank you again.